FOSS Chemical Analysis Instruments are being used at various food and agricultural testing labs in India. Today, we take you to one such lab in the city of Nasik named Ashwamedh Engineers and Consultants.
We started our laboratory at Nasik in the year 1994. We are accredited by NABL as per the ISO IEC 17025 standard. We are recognized by Food Safety Standards Authority of India, EPIDA, Export Inspection Council, Bureau of Indian Standards, EGMARC. So we receive about 40 to 50 samples a day, and we test various food commodities like fresh fruits and vegetables, then cereals and pulses and their products, milk and milk products. We are using protein and fat analyzer of FOSS in our laboratory. Various laboratory personnel on various forums, I have often heard about they using FOSS in their laboratories, and so hence I decided to buy FOSS systems for our laboratory. With the use of FOSS protein and fat analyzer, our operations have become safe and hygienic. We have achieved consistency with our test results and also reduced upon the turnaround times.
Before, in our lab, we are using conventional method, that is Soxhlet method. That method took 24 hours, that is little bit more time. But now we are using this Soxhlet model, and which is very less time consuming model. That is, at the end of 3 to 4 hours, this whole process completed. One more plus point is, before we are using heating metals for the heating purpose, but in the Soxhlet method we are using this control panel, and temperature is control, inbuilt control in that instrument.
Before, in our lab, we use conventional method for the protein analysis, and now we do in Geltec 8100 nitrogen analyzer. In that analyzer, this is a less time consuming. In that instrument, there is a scrubber system which neutralizes the fumes. So the no fumes are produced which are hazardous to human health and environment. There is an automatic distillation unit, so there is no chances for the leakage during the distillation process. In FOSS Geltec analyzer, the results are very repetitive and accuracy. So we are happy with FOSS.
So in future, we look forward to investing in various other FOSS equipment. We rest assured regarding the reliable services of FOSS, as it's got a local service support and the consumables are readily available. We look forward to work hand in hand with FOSS for development and validation of test methods for the Indian food commodities.
From the city of Nasik, we take you to another NABL accredited lab located in the heart of city of Pune named Mark Labs Private Limited.
The lab was established in 1996. Now the lab is having approval from NABL, BIS, FSS, AI and APIDA. We are having FOSS equipments like Geltec and Soxhlet. The equipments are very much useful for us because the fat and protein can be analyzed within a very short time as compared to traditional methods. Also, we can analyze 6 to 8 number of samples simultaneously.
Previously, we used to analyze the protein or the nitrogen with the help of classical method. But after having this FOSS Geltec machines, we are analyzing the sample with a great ease and the accuracy. As that classical method requires more time, this method takes very less times and less chemical as well. And we are getting the very correct and accurate result as compared to that old method.
In traditional method, we require to add chemicals manually, but by using FOSS Geltec, hazardous chemicals material added automatically. The time required for analysis also reduced, and we can analyze protein by more samples, at a time 8 samples by using FOSS Geltec. We are happy with FOSS.
In previously that classical method, we used to require a lot of that glasswares and different assemblies to carry out this titration. But this new FOSS Gel-Tech machines has changed drastically, because here we no need to use any kind of glasswares and assembly. All that parts are incorporated in the one machine only.
That's why I find very helpful and very handy for the analysis of the protein.
The services given by FOSS engineers are satisfactory for us, and we are thankful to FOSS for supplying such excellent equipment to Mark Labs Private Limited.